Alright, here we are on part 3 of our test. Again, just to recap, we're testing the battery in here in the charging circuit. We're very curious why, when you've had this on charge all night long, that it says a green light and no current is flowing into charging the battery, then why all of a sudden is there, when you turn it off without making any other changes, does it begin to just start charging some more? Does that mean that the phone does not charge up fully, or does it mean that it cycles on and off? There's a lot more tests that can be done. One question is, if you did charge it all night long and then it goes to zero current, well, the phone really is on, is drawing some power. Maybe the voltage in the battery does dip down, the charge level does dip down, maybe, and then maybe it comes back up and we don't know it during the 8 hours at night, say that we're charging it. There's a lot of unanswered questions, and hopefully this will get us to the bottom of those questions. There's another phenomena on my phone that, if you've ever seen it on yours, I'd appreciate hearing from you as to maybe the cause of it. I do get an audio spoken voice out of this phone sometimes that says, "Your phone is fully charged, please disconnect the power cable." And I don't know where that's coming from. I can't figure it out. If you have that same phenomenon ever happen, let me know. Sometimes I just get a vibrate and I get a message on the screen that says that. I will say the current is dropping down here. You may want to just do some fast forward skipping through this video. It's not necessary that you sit here and watch every second of it. Maybe skip a minute, check the current over here, and then go on to another minute. Okay, just to recap our settings right now, the phone is actually powered completely off. It's not just in standby mode. It was fully charged, as you remember, when it was turned on, and we have an orange light here indicating that the battery is not fully charged. We also have what I consider to be a normal reading here from charging any given battery, and that is the current is dropping slowly and steadily towards zero. Probably when this gets closer to zero, this will turn green and indicate fully charged. The phone is off, and that's the result or combination of readings that we're getting. It doesn't seem right that, like we saw earlier in a previous video, that the phone would be on, this would still be putting out a half an amp, and then all of a sudden the green light comes on and decides we're fully charged. However, in all honesty, it's only been maybe 10 or 20 minutes that we've been charging it in this mode, but that 10 or 20 minutes of additional charge could mean a few minutes or maybe a few hours. I don't know. It depends how you use your phone. A few minutes or a few hours additional operating time. We are dropping down here to only about 100 to 150 milliamps. So it's starting to look like maybe this is going to just indicate fully charged. So I'm going to let this video run out to the end of the 10 minutes, and we'll observe it and we'll see what happens. The current is clearly dropping. You're seeing some occasional readings down here of only 9 milliamps. And there, we just got a green light just then. Over here, just turned from orange to green. And we're down around 9, 10 to 14 milliamps, fluctuating just a little bit. That would be not unusual in a charging circuit. And let's just watch for another minute or so here and see if the current here does drop clear to zero or not. But we definitely have a green light here. There, we got zero current flowing. Now we have a green light up here, and the phone is clear off. So now it would be most curious just to play around a little bit. Let's turn the phone back on while we leave the charger connected. Let it boot back up. There we go, it's booting back up. We only have about a minute left in this video, so I don't know how much is really going to happen. But let's keep an eye on things. There, over you can't see it, but this jumped up. Now you can see it. The white screen over here on the boot up is overwhelming this. This did jump up though, well, that had a white screen, to around 30-40 milliamps. And so maybe this current is actually feeding the machine and operating the machine and not really charging the battery. It would probably be difficult for us to be sure where this power is going at this point in time, since the phone was on. We only have a few seconds left in this video, but now you can see, and I really didn't mean to go there. No, we're okay. And there, battery full, please remove the charger. That vibrated and gave me that message. I wonder if you all ever get that message, and sometimes I get it in spoken English.